Cardio or weights? Which is better for a long life? As a young bodybuilder, I shied away from cardio, thinking that it was wasted energy that could be used to grow bigger muscles. But that's not really how it works, for reasons that I'll cover in a future video. Importantly, having a good VO2 max, that's the measure of how much oxygen we can use during exercise and is the main measure of fitness. It's the best predictor both for living longer and for living in good health in later years. Strength, however, is also crucial for living well and for living in good health in later years. So the answer is both cardio and strength training are important for living healthily into old age. If you're in your 40s and 50s and have a lower than average VO2 max and aren't particularly strong, you'll have an increased risk of degenerative disease in your 70s or even as early as in your 60s. That is, unless you do something about it, it's never too late. Any exercise will help, even going out for a walk a few times a week or doing some bodyweight exercises at home.